In this video, we're going to show you how to create a Helios election. First, you should log in with the authentication method of your choice. In this case, I'm logging in with my Google account. Once that's done, click the Create Election button. You'll need a short name, which cannot contain spaces, because it's going to be part of the URL. We'll use a test election name dated today. Then you can enter a pretty name for the election that will be displayed and a description of the election that says a little bit more about what you're trying to do. Click Next, and you've got your election. You can go ahead and edit those initial parameters at any time, add to the description, and continue. Now it's time to add questions, voters, and trustees. We'll start with questions, and we'll enter our first question. Here we go, we've got our first question. And now back to the election. Now we're going to look at voters. And the main decision to make here is whether registration is open or closed, meaning whether anybody can register to vote. We're going to switch to open registration for this election, and then we'll go back to the election main page. We're almost done, almost ready to open it. Now we need to add a trustee, at least one. If you want a very secure election, you'll need more than one trustee. But for most elections, just setting one trustee, Helios itself, is enough. That's it. We've got a question, we've got a voter policy, we've got one trustee. We can freeze the ballot. And freezing the ballot means that you don't want to change anything, you're ready to go. And the ballot's frozen, we're ready to go, and then your voters can now vote in this election. Here's what they'll see. Log out, and you'll see that the administrative options are gone, and they can just start voting by clicking Vote in this election.